Hi everyone, my name is Ian Parker and I'm a mouth painter and I work for the Mouth of Foot Painting Artists here in the UK. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and paint one of the characters from this exciting children's book I illustrated called Danny's Dream. And the character I'm going to show you how I draw today is Billy the dog. And Billy turns out to be a friend and sidekick of Danny, the main character. Now, if you would like to draw and paint along with me, you will need some pencils and some paper and some paints. Or if you would prefer, you could use colouring pencils or colouring pens. To start with, I'm going to start by drawing Billy's back, down from his neck, down his back, because that is the longest line for him. And this is an important bit when you're doing drawings, even for we who do it all the time when we're doing drawing and painting. Sometimes things go wrong, and I've noticed here that the angle of Billy's back is wrong, so I'm just going to correct that now. The next thing to do is the grassy edges to the footpath. And now to put some flowers and some bushes in the background. I'm back with Billy. Now it's time to put on a feeling of some fluff and some fur. And now for the exciting bit, doing the painting. And this you can do in any order you like. And then finally back to Billy to lighten his fur a little bit and to put in the details such as his eyes, his nose and his tongue. And here is the completed painting. I hope you've enjoyed painting along with me. Perhaps you can find some more of these pictures of Billy in the book. If you would like to find out more about the book, or even these paints that I've been using, then you can go on our website, on the Mouth of Foot Painting Artist website, and that's www.mfpa.uk. Hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.